This is Shakil Ahmed. You're watching Voice of Packaging. As you know, we introduce some of the best company for flexible packaging industry for manufacturing technology. Now we introduce one of the best company, the bag making technology manufacturers.
Hi.
Tell me your name and your company.
Okay, yeah, this is Smile from Shantou Chaojia Machinery. We are located in Shantou, Guangdong Province, and we are specialized in bag making machines for flexible packaging. Yeah, like 3-size seal, 4-size seal, center seal, 8-size seal, stand-up pouch,
Standard
etc. Yeah.
How many machines you manufacture in plant 1 year?
1 year promise like 70 to 80 steps.
80 machines.
Yeah, 80 machines per
You
year.
have worldwide customer?
Yeah, of course.
You sold Pakistan machine already?
Now we are looking for
the
customer in
customers.
Pakistan. Yeah.
Pakistan.
Yeah.
You give best solution for side seal, guzzle, top seal,
Yeah,
and standing pouch?
Yes, of course. We can also make the machines as per customer's needs.
Yep,
Yeah.
as per customer requirement.
Yes.
First you discuss about the customer, what they making the bags.
Yes.
Then you
We can make the design as per them. Yeah.
as per customer demand.
Yeah. I think like this time we come here and we feel that a Pakistan person,
potential.
our friends really so kind, and I think the market, the packaging market here is also big.
Big.
Yeah, so we think we have chance to open the market here.
Maximum speed how much your machine?
That depends on the machines.
Side seal?
Like side seal, you can reach 250 pieces per minute.
Standing pouch?
Standard pouch, yes, have. Speed also depends on the size.
Your machine is for easy to handle or very
Yeah.
difficult?
Easy to handle and sound less.
As a soundless.
Yeah, and stable.
It's great. It's great because some people you still sold the machine, they don't understand for the handling and running is very trouble.
Yeah.
Your machine, you give the solution or you sold the machine?
Yeah, we give the solutions.
Yeah, great. What about customer feedback?
Normally their feedback is good. They are satisfied with our machines because less sound and also stable working
And maximum production.
and less problems. So and also our after sale is fast. So
This is good.
Yeah.
You want for bag making machine, you must visit this company and they available for give you solution. So if you want your innovation in your flexible packaging industry, you must visit this company.
Yeah, can
Thank you.
contact us.
Stay with us. Voice of Packaging.
Technology Company Limited. Our company was founded in 2012. It's a professional manufacturer and exporter of for 12 years. When meet in production. Also, our engineer will testing the machine and checking the product quality before machine delivery.